Right to toe. Here we go. Not taking a break from toes that usually make me ill. These toes just scare the hell out of me. I don't know what's attached to the other end of these bad boys, but I'm assuming it's some type of mythical creature. I can see myself walking through a field, hearing the screech of a bird of prey in the background. The next thing I know, I got these things wrapped around my shoulders, and they're taking me up to its nest to feed me to its young. They scare the hell out of me, is what I'm getting at. These are 9 out of 10. These bad boys. There you go.